Prepare to face justice!
Forget OpenClaw and look at this. This is my 8-year-old phone, and I have transformed it into a fully functional 24/7 AI agent machine. The website you are seeing on the phone screen right now was entirely built by PicoClaw AI agent. I did not write a single line of code. The AI agent handled everything from start to finish. And the best part? It runs on Ollama, which means it is completely free. No expensive hardware to buy, no cloud-based platform fees, no subscriptions, just your phone, because PicoClaw is incredibly lightweight and designed to run on minimal resources. So stay with me, because I am going to show you exactly how to install PicoClaw, the powerful alternative to OpenClaw, and how you can put this AI agent to work for you, whether that is automating tasks or building websites just like this one. I have connected it to my Telegram, and it works absolutely perfectly. The interface is as simple as it gets. You just type what you want, and the agent immediately gets to work. You can assign it virtually any task, just like you would with OpenClaw, and this lightweight agent will execute it without hesitation. It is the kind of always-on AI agent that works for you around the clock. Before we jump into the installation, let me give you a quick live demonstration of just how capable this agent really is. I wanted to build a SaaS website, so I simply typed, "Build an aesthetic SaaS website," browse the internet, find relevant images, and use them in the design. And just like that, it got to work. You can see it writing HTML and CSS code in real time, building the entire layout on its own. Within just a few minutes, the website was completely ready. Let me copy the preview URL and open it in the browser so you can see the final result for yourself. And there it is. Look at that. It built a genuinely impressive website with almost no input from me. Now, I will be honest with you. It is not going to be pixel perfect out of the box, but here is the thing. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. You can keep refining it just by describing what you want to add or change, and the agent will handle the rest. Now, let us get into the installation, and I promise it is much simpler than you might expect. To get PicoClaw running on your phone, you only need two things: the Termux app and the PicoClaw repository, which contains all the commands you need to run. I have dropped the links to both directly in the description below, so you do not have to go searching for anything. There is no complex setup here. It is purely copy, paste, and go. So open up the Termux app and let us get started. Once you are inside Termux, type this command, pkg install Ollama, and hit enter. This will download and install Ollama, which is what powers the free large language models behind PicoClaw. Once that installation is complete, run the next command, Ollama serve. This starts the local server that allows the AI agent to communicate and process your requests. Once the server is up and running, tap the 3-line icon button inside Termux and open a brand new session. Inside this new session, run the following command, Ollama run Kimi-K 2.5. This will confirm that your Ollama model is up and running correctly. And just so you know, you are not limited to this specific model. I will include a link to the Ollama model library in the description so you can explore and swap in any model that fits your needs. Now, if your model launches without any issues, you are good to go. However, if Ollama presents you with a login URL instead, do not panic. Simply copy that URL, paste it into your browser, complete the login, and then rerun the same command. Once that is done, your model should be running smoothly, just like mine. With the model confirmed and running, tap the 3-dot icon button in Termux and open yet another fresh session. We are now going to set up the PicoClaw environment step by step. Head over to the repository and copy the first command. Paste it into Termux and hit enter. When it prompts you with a Y or N, type Y and continue. This step updates your packages and prepares the environment, so give it a moment to complete. Once that finishes, go back to the repository and grab the second command. Paste it in and hit Enter. This will install Git and Python, both of which are essential dependencies for PicoClaw to function correctly. Let that finish before moving on. Now, copy and run the third command the same way. Paste it in, hit Enter, and wait for it to complete. After that, copy the fourth command and do the same. Once you run this one, a new configuration screen will appear inside Termux. Here comes the important part. Go back to the repository, copy the fifth command, and paste it into Termux. But hold off on running it just yet, because there are two critical values you need to fill in first. The first is your Telegram bot token, and the second is your Telegram user ID. These two pieces of information are what link PicoClaw directly to your Telegram account, so take your time with this step. Use the arrow keys that appear just above your phone keyboard to navigate within Termux. Start by removing the token placeholder, exactly as I am doing on screen. Once the placeholder is cleared, switch over to your Telegram app. Inside Telegram, search for @botfather and open it. Send it the command /newbot. Botfather will ask you to give your bot a name. Type in whatever you prefer. Next, it will ask for a username. You can choose anything you like here, but it must end with the word bot. Something like PicoBot, for example. After that, Botfather will generate and send you a unique token for your bot. Copy that token right away. Jump back into Termux and paste the token exactly where you removed the placeholder. No extra spaces, no modifications, just the raw token. Now, use the arrow keys again to navigate to the ID placeholder and remove it just like you did with the token. Then, switch back to Telegram one more time. This time, search for @userinfobot. Open the bot with the green icon. It will immediately send you a message containing your Telegram user ID right at the top. Copy that ID, head back into Termux and paste your ID in place of the placeholder you just removed. Before moving on, take a moment to review everything and make sure both values are entered correctly with no typos or extra characters. To save the file, press the Termux control button followed by the O key on your keyboard, then hit Enter to confirm. Then, press Ctrl+X to exit the editor. Once you are back at the main Termux prompt, run this command, PicoClaw agent. This will verify that the agent has been set up correctly and is fully operational. If everything looks good, you are ready for the final step. Run this command, PicoClaw Gateway, and hit Enter. This launches the gateway that bridges PicoClaw with your Telegram app, enabling full two-way communication between you and your AI agent. Once the gateway is live and running, switch over to your Telegram app and open the Botfather channel one more time. You will see a blue clickable URL. Tap on it, and that will take you directly to your very own PicoClaw AI agent running for free right on your phone. And just like that, you have got a fully functional, always-on AI agent running in your pocket at zero cost. That is everything for today's video. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you run into any issues during the setup, drop your question in the comments below and I will do my best to help you troubleshoot. And if you want to keep up with more content like this, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss an upload. I will see you in the next one. Peace.